This video is unbelievably important for all my drivers out there because when most people drive for Uber, they think about their car, what to have in their car, when are the best times to drive, so on and so forth, but very few people talk about the health insurance. So I'm on Uber's site right now, and you can see health insurance marketplace for driving rewards. Stride Health provides recommendations on health insurance plans that fit your lifestyle and budget. To gain access to Stride Health, you must complete at least one trip each month and be enrolled in Uber Pro. I wanted to talk about this and do a video on this because if you're not in America, you don't have to worry about this. But in America, health insurance is a nightmare. I personally, as an entrepreneur, I'm both a musician and a YouTuber and an independent contractor doing different jobs. I personally pay for health insurance out of pocket. Now, if you're driving for Uber part-time, let's say you have a typical normal job, you probably get benefits and you probably already have health insurance. But if you're driving full-time, this is super important to look at. So what you're gonna do, and I'm gonna do this now, is go to uber.stridehealth.com. So I'm gonna click this. And you can see I'm on here right now, affordable health insurance for rideshare and delivery drivers. So remember, this is true not just for Uber, but Uber Eats, and in this case, Postmates as well. So I'm gonna type in my zip code, and then you can see right here for my given area, there are 55 plans from 7 carriers available in LA. Let's find the best one. So I'm gonna type in this information, boom. Do I have a preferred doctor or mental health professional? I'm just gonna skip this for now. Do you have prescriptions? I actually personally don't, so I'm just gonna skip this. I'm just gonna skip all this, right? Let's just go right to the plans. Find my savings. Now, when you go to savings, it's gonna say how many people will you claim on your 2023 tax return or whatever year you're watching this video in. In this case, it's just me, but make sure you enter in this information correctly. So I'm gonna do just me. Now we're gonna type in our income. I just Googled this. The average Uber driver at the exact time of this video makes $37,602. So you can see right here, you'll save an estimated $172 a month. So if I go to continue with savings, I'm gonna skip this. Let's just look at the plans. You can see that Stride is an official partner of Covered California. So this does depend city to city and state to state. That's why I entered in my zip code. But you can see right here that if I want to do LA Care, for example, it's $91 a month as opposed to $264 a month. Keep in mind, the more money you make, the less money they're going to give you off the actual plan. If you make less money, they'll give you more money off. For me personally, in case you're curious, I used to have LA Care. I hated it. For anyone living in LA, I have Kaiser and I love Kaiser. I have no affiliation with them. I'm not sponsored by Kaiser, although that'd be pretty awesome if I was. But let's say you want to go with Kaiser, it's $130 a month. And trust me, I'm just going to say this as a side note. Remember, this is not meant to be financial advice or medical advice or anything. Just get health insurance. If you're in America and you don't have health insurance, all you need is one instance for it to destroy your financial situation. Just go with it. So you can see I can select one of these here. I can view all the plans. If let's say I want to get a more expensive one, let's say you need prescriptions, let's say given your health situation, you need a bit more care. I can explore all these, but as you can see, let's say I want to go with Oscar, for example, it's only $176 a month as opposed to $348. So you are going to save money. As you can see, it is very easy to sign up with health insurance using Uber and going with Stride. Trust me, just do it, especially for all my full-time drivers out there. Like I said, if you're driving part-time, you have a typical 9-to-5 job, with those benefits, you usually should be covered and you probably already have health insurance. But if you're driving full-time and you're an independent contractor, you have to pay for health insurance out of pocket. And this is the best way to get good, reliable health insurance and save money while doing so.